Silver has been holding strong around that historic $50 mark, a level that's tested traders, investors, and even history itself. But this time, things look different. Let's go through what some of the top market voices are saying about silver's incredible strength and what it could mean next. Gary Boehm wrote, "Silver at $51 this morning. It has been near or exceeding the previous all-time high of $50 now for 4 weeks. The 2 previous times it touched these all-time highs, it only stayed at this price point level for a few hours to a few days before plunging hard. What is silver's resilience around $50 this time saying?" That's an important question, because silver holding above this zone for weeks rather than hours could signal a shift in market behavior. Historically, this level triggered sharp reversals, but now the metal seems to be showing endurance, and possibly strength beneath the surface. Ole S. Henson added more technical depth. Silver, indicated by XAG, has now retraced 61.8% of the plus 16% October correction, currently trading above $51.06. Note, a 61.8% retracement of a prior correction after a major rally typically signals that the market is reasserting the dominant uptrend. It shows the pullback has been largely absorbed and that buyers are regaining control. In silver's case, taking back the level after the October decline implies the correction is close to being fully neutralized. That's a textbook technical insight, and it matches what we've been seeing. Silver's rebound is showing clear signs of strength, as if buyers are stepping back in to control the momentum. Now, the ape of Gold Street gave some historical perspective that really puts this run into context. Silver's 3 major bull runs last 100 years. Number 1. 1970s bull run, 1971 to 1980, $1.30 to $50 to plus 3,746%, or approximately 37 times over 9 years. Number 2, 2000s bull run, 2001 to 2011, from $4 to $49.80 to plus 1,145%, or approximately 11.5 times over 10 years. Number 3, current bull run, 2020 to 2025, from $11.60 to $52 to plus 348%, or approximately 4.5 times so far over 5 years. Those numbers are impressive, and they show that while this run hasn't yet matched the explosive moves of the 1970s or 2000s, it's been remarkably strong in a shorter period of time. The pace so far has been much more compressed. Dow Gold Equals shared a big picture technical idea that caught a lot of attention. Silver looks like it may confirm a 45-year cup and handle breakout this year, though there is plenty of time left. The 2025 annual close is going to be a big deal one way or the other. Measured move to the $660 area with a possible trip to the upper channel rail above $1,000. That's a bold projection, a potential long-term breakout pattern that, if confirmed, could mark one of the most significant chart moves in the history of precious metals. Of course, it's early, but the technical setup definitely has people watching closely. The great Martis summed up the moment perfectly. Silver, all-time highs now in sight. Backtesting the break would be common before moving higher, or it could head towards highs uninterrupted. We await. It's that waiting game now. Will silver backtest and consolidate, or will it make history with an uninterrupted push higher?
American Coin posted, "Silver breaks $51 and the story's just beginning. Silver isn't just money, it's fuel for the future. Each nuclear reactor devours 3 to 5 million ounces of silver in control rods. China's building 23 reactors now, plus 30 more by 2030. The U.S. just classified silver as a critical mineral. We're heading toward the first year in history where 100% of mine output could go straight to industry, 0 left for investors. The next squeeze won't come from Reddit, it'll come from nuclear demand." That's a powerful statement, and it puts silver's breakout into a whole new context. The focus isn't just on price anymore, it's about utility. When silver becomes essential to nuclear energy, technology, and clean infrastructure, its role shifts from a traditional safe haven asset to a strategic industrial necessity. Hansa Czerny broke down the market action behind the scenes, writing, Thread, the paper silver storm. What happened on November 10th? On November 10th, COMEX silver volume exploded to around 115,000 contracts. Each contract equals 5,000 ounces. That's 575 million paper ounces traded in one day. That's enormous. It shows just how much leverage and speculation is moving through the paper markets. Hundreds of millions of ounces traded in a single day show not just interest, but intensity. This could mean traders are positioning for something much bigger on the horizon. Silver Ape King summed it up perfectly in one line. Silver is becoming the most strategically vital metal on Earth. It's simple, but it captures the shift we're seeing. Silver isn't just precious, it's becoming indispensable to the global economy. And Digger added a fascinating observation. Silver has the atomic number 47, and $47 was also an inflection point for silver. Many don't believe this move. Just perfect. It's poetic in a way. Silver's atomic identity and price inflection aligning at 47. Many doubted this rally, but markets often move where disbelief is highest.
Sahara shared a sharp technical note. Silver, looking bullish, yet watch for the bear flag. That's a subtle reminder that even in strength, caution matters. The pattern suggests bullish energy, but a potential short-term pause or pullback isn't off the table. In markets like this, momentum can shift fast, and smart traders know both sides of the chart deserve attention. Gold Telegraph noted, silver quietly back above $51. And that's exactly it, quietly. No loud headlines, no frenzy, just steady movement. Sometimes the most powerful rallies happen when few are paying attention. TF Metals report added, 3 consecutive days for silver, down for a few hours on COMEX, up all the rest of the time. That consistency says a lot. Silver's dips are being bought up fast, showing that buyers remain active and confident even during short-term pressure. And Make Gold Great captured the moment perfectly. This post about silver running out will never be seen or understood by most of the planet. That line hits deep because it reflects how underappreciated silver's supply story still is. While industrial demand keeps rising, most people still don't realize how tight the market has quietly become. So what we're seeing right now is more than just another price push. It's quiet strength. While many look elsewhere, silver continues to move, steadily, persistently, and under the radar. The patterns may shift, but the underlying demand and attention from smart money seem to be building day by day. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and nothing discussed should be taken as a recommendation to buy or sell any asset. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions.